What we'll do now is look at the advanced pet first aid kit. And we do these kits in two forms. This is the soft pouch and this is the harder pouch version. Contents inside them are exactly the same. However, with the harder pouch one, we can adapt it slightly and we can also add extra items in. So this kit here is the standard advanced kit, but you can also have it with Collaclots, which will deal with any catastrophic bleed or even small bleeds, and also Oralade for dehydration. So we can do 3 sort of versions of this one as well. So, you know, otherwise the content's the same. So what we'll do is look to start with is have a look at the contents inside. So inside the kit, start with, there's not a particular order we're doing this in, but you've got some gloves in there just to make sure you can keep your hands away from any blood and also reducing the risk of infection. It has standard dressings. These are the standard dressings. We've got the gauze pad already woven into them. And we have a thermometer to use for checking the temperature. Emergency foil blanket. So if you've got any situation where you need to keep a dog warm or as a catastrophic bleed, you can wrap it up in the blanket. Micropore tape. Micropore tape's really useful for attaching to sealing off bandages, covering over the knots of bandages, and also low adherent dressings. And again, if you just want to put a small pad on an animal, you can use the Micropore tape for that as well. Has some saline pods. These are the simple little pods that you just snap the top off and you can squirt water straight in. And these can be used for eyes, around the mouth, or just cleaning a wound up if you need to. It has a tick remover, just in case you do get an animal with a tick on, or you get a tick on yourself, you can still use that. Cohesive bandage. This will then use to hold on these pads, but also hold on any other dressings or protect an area. Also in the kit, you have a smaller bandage as well. This would just be used maybe to cover a smaller cut, or you can cover over an eye with this as well. Ice pack. This is the chemical ice pack. So what you do is just break it. There's a sachet in there of liquid, and you shake it, and that will get cold. So it's useful if you do need to apply ice onto anything. A waste bag. Now this is the standard waste bag. So if you've had to clean up and there's blood-soaked dressings and bits and pieces, you can pop everything in there. Also some more gloves. We have some wipes as well, so if you need to clean out an area, clean a wound, just get the worst of the dirt off of it, you can use those. And then we have tweezers and scissors, so if you need to cut any hair away or cut dressings, and tweezers, again, getting something out of the skin or maybe a thorn out of the animal. We have a triangular type bandage as well. Now obviously the picture here is of someone with slings. It's used with human first aid, but this can be quite useful for other dressings or padding that you need around something. Some more wipes, and then the final one is a burn gel. This burn gel dressing is great. If there is a burn on an animal, you put it down, it instantly cools it. Now, running under cold water is the best thing. However, if you're out and about, you just might not have access to that. So these are sort of the key kits we got as the advanced kits. We also do these versions of kits as personalised. So if you do want them personalised, we can do that as well. If it's just individual kits and they're personalised, a small extra charge for doing that, and we can put your maybe your kennels logo on it or something like that. If not, if you want larger quantities of it, then there wouldn't be any extra charge for that. And we can do you different labels with your logos on if you've got a business or a dog club or something like that. We can do kits just for you. If you want any more details on these kits or our other range of pet first aid kits, please get in touch.